The Fair Credit Reporting Act, or FCRA, is a crucial piece of legislation that protects consumers' rights regarding their credit information. But what happens when those rights are violated? Today, we're diving into the FCRA Statute of Limitations, the time frame within which you must act to protect your rights. The FCRA Statute of Limitations is typically 2 years from the date you discover a violation, or 5 years from the date the violation occurred, whichever comes first. This means that if you find an error on your credit report, you have a limited window to take legal action. How is this statute calculated? It starts from the date of the violation or the date of discovery. For example, if a credit reporting agency incorrectly reported information on your credit report on January 1st, 2021, but you didn't discover it until January 1st, 2023, your 2-year clock would start on the discovery date. However, there are exceptions to this rule. The discovery rule can delay the start of the limitations period under specific circumstances. This is particularly relevant in cases of willful misrepresentation. Some courts have held that the discovery rule only applies to willful violations, not negligent ones. It's important to note that state laws can interact with the FCRA, sometimes providing different timelines for claims. While the FCRA sets federal standards, state laws might apply different statutes of limitations depending on the nature of the case. This interplay between state and federal law can significantly impact your claim's success. Another crucial concept is the idea of separate violations. Each transmission of an incorrect credit report can be considered a distinct violation, potentially restarting the statute of limitations. This is known as the continuing violation doctrine. However, courts vary in their interpretation of this doctrine, so it's essential to consult with a legal professional. The FCRA also distinguishes between willful and negligent violations. Willful violations, which involve recklessness or intentional misconduct, can lead to harsher penalties, including statutory and punitive damages. Both types of violations follow the same statute of limitations, but proving willfulness might extend the discovery timeline under certain circumstances. To protect your rights under the FCRA, it's crucial to act quickly if you suspect a violation. Document any errors or issues you find, determine the timeline of events, and consult with a qualified attorney to explore your legal options. Remember, each credit report transmission may constitute a separate violation with its own statute of limitations. In conclusion, understanding the FCRA statute of limitations is vital for protecting your rights as a consumer. While the general rule is 2 years from discovery or 5 years from the violation, exceptions and nuances can complicate matters. Stay vigilant about your credit information, act promptly if you suspect violations, and don't hesitate to seek legal advice when navigating these complex waters.